So continuing with Bengaluru, or India's Silicon Valley, also known as Garden City, it has drawn in world-famous IT firms, giving birth to an advanced cosmopolitan lifestyle. But the surge in population is making Bangalore pay a heavy price for its success. Overflowing garbage and waste collection services are unable to keep up with decades of unchecked growth. Now, Bengaluru residents are tired of waiting for the civic body to come up with an effective solution. Our colleague Smita catches up with some of those who are making a real difference.
Bengaluru boasts of some of the biggest multinational companies and IT firms. But in the last few years, because of the surge in population, the city is definitely paying a heavy price, a huge garbage menace. I'm joined here with residents of South Bangalore. So, ma'am, first tell me, what is this menace that we are talking about? And do you believe that the garbage collection units are at par with the actual need of the city?
The menace is there is so much garbage created, dumped on roadsides, dumped in everywhere we are seeing garbage. And on par, no, I wouldn't say that, but there has been a lot of awareness which is being created in Bangalore in the last 1 year.
Taking forward what ma'am just told, Bengaluru is a very proactive, whether it's the civic body or even its resident population. So how has your interaction been with the BBMP regarding this particular crisis?
BBMP and the citizens are all working together, and BBMP is actually giving a lot of training to the citizens of Bangalore, and all of us, I think we're all trainers, and we have done the master training also. So it's really helping, and if BBMP and the citizens really come together, we can really work wonders, I think.
Thank you. Now, what is interesting, how is a group of residents here in Bengaluru have taken it into their own hands to make sure that there is a solution for this whole menace. They're not waiting for the civic body to step in. An app has been developed by a group here, I Got Garbage. Could you please tell us a little more about how to use this and how easy and efficient the system is?
Okay. So I Got Garbage is a social technology platform where there are a series of apps for each stakeholder. For example, the citizens use the volunteer app where they could actually geotag the houses that are interested in collection of waste from their household, who want to actually manage their waste responsibly. So after that, and then once they express their interest, we geotag them and then we map them over a set of maps so that we will be able to see what are the interested households and offer services.
Here are groups in the city, just citizen initiatives to help coordinate with all the stakeholders that include whether it's the paper walas, whether it is the kabadi walas. Now, could you tell us more about how this whole process happened?
The city has decided to give all the collection centers to be run by waste pickers or scrap dealers who have been identified, because they recognize that the waste pickers have the skill required to manage the waste. And we have seen in the last 3 years, whatever process has been done in Bangalore for the changes in policy, dry waste collection center for the last 4 years is performing. That's the only thing, is very well performing.
Now, let me introduce you to this person, Mr. Mansoor. Once a rag picker and today he's an entrepreneur. And this is a true rags to riches story. So, आप बताइए बैंगलोर का ये गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम के लिए क्या सोल्यूशन बताएंगे आप?
हमने सोल्यूशन ये बताएंगे, हर इंडिविजुअल हाउस में थ्री रकम का ड्राई वेस्ट और वेट वेस्ट, रिजेक्ट वेस्ट को सेग्रीगेशन हर लोग करना चाहिए. जब वो वार्ड में जो ड्राई वेस्ट कलेक्शन सेंटर रहता है वहाँ तक शायद उनसे हो सके तो वो पहुँचा सके, या तो उसको वहाँ पे आके डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन करने की सुविधा बना के देना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Now, what all citizens feel is that the plans that BBMP has charted out are very glamorous on paper, but only when these actually translate into reality will there be goodwill and trust reinstated in the minds of the people towards the civic body. In Bengaluru with camera person Govind, Smita TK, Findy TV.